Take your knife or a screwdriver, put it in a little groove here and pry it open. Now if you take it upside down, all your buttons gonna fall out. So try to just get it out this way from the top. There's clips all the way around here. So pick one with one. This one's got two. This one right here, start with this one. Pry it open there and hold it, and then go all the way around, and it'll open right up. All right. This takes a 2016 battery. Slide her in. Cover back on. Only goes one way. Snap her down. Cover back on, snap her together. There, all done. Thanks for watching.